Hello and welcome back, my dear children. So, in this video, I am going to show you how PowerPoint presentations are made. So, for that, first we have to click on the Start button. Then, we have to go for the Microsoft Office. After clicking on Microsoft Office, again, we have to scroll down to search for Microsoft PowerPoint. So here I'll be clicking on Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and this is how the screen will look like when it opens. By default, this slide you will get when you open the presentation. So here is the option of new slide. You can add the slide again with the title slide, with the title and content slide, section header slide, to content slide, comparison slide, title only, blank slide is also there, picture and caption slide, content with caption slide. So I have added here a blank slide. And then coming on to the first slide, again, let's see, for example, if I'm going to put the title, and the title is computer. So I'm going to type computer here on the title space, and then I'm going to change the font style just to look it more impressive. So I have changed it. I tried to bold it, but मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, so I put it on italic. And then for the content or the subtopic, I am going to write PowerPoint presentation. So now here the color of the font was not black. So I again selected it and changed the color to red. You can change it to any color of your choice from the color palette. Okay. So like this you can change the font style. Then the color. Again I have put a bold and then red पे भी वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. So I put it on italic. Now you can add the design or the backdrop for each and every slide or the presentation. So इस तरीके से हम कोई भी डिज़ाइन सेलेक्ट करके पूरे स्लाइड पे या पूरे प्रेजेंटेशन पे बैकड्रॉप सेट कर सकते हैं. So like this different styles are already available from which you can choose. I'm showing you almost all of them one by one, and then I have selected this one. At any point of time you can even change the color. By default it was orange, but yes, you can change the color also. So orange is fine, so I'm keeping it as orange only. And here again the font style is there, so you can again change the font style from this side also. So this is my first slide with the heading and the subheading ready. So there is the option of tables, pictures, clip art, photo album, shapes, smart art, chart, and then here text box, header, footer, word art, date and times, slide number. Also we can add movies, that is video and sound. So video and sound you'll get in media, clips. Then in illustrations you'll get picture, clip art, photo album, shapes, smart art and chart. Now coming to the next slide, to insert a picture I'll go to insert, then pictures. I have already downloaded the picture in the download section folder, so I'm going there. Then I'm going to select the nature picture and insert option पे जैसे ही click करेंगे the picture will get inserted, and then I can drag and stretch the picture like this in my PPT. So like this the picture has got inserted. Now if I want to write anything there, through the text box I'll drag the text box on the screen, and then by changing the font style, size, I can write whatever I want to write inside the text box. For example, if I'm going to write nature, so I'll type nature here, and then I can even change the color or the alignment if I want to put it in the center. So I'm going to select it, then I will put it in the center with the center alignment, and then I'm going to just increase the size, and this is how a text could be added to a picture. Alright, so now I can even add again a blank slide. where I'm going to show how I can use the smart art. So in the smart art, I can depict my data into several ways. That is listing. I could list my data like this. Then this is the process. If I want to show a process, I can use this. Then a cycle can be shown like this. Then the hierarchy, then the relationship, matrix, and the last is pyramid. So the data can be depicted in these many ways. For example, I have to depict a data in a process. For example, the process is the input. So I'm going to write input here. And after input, what happens? The input is being processed. So the next process is the processing or the process. And the last process is the output. After processing, the output is given. Now I can again stretch it so that it fills the screen, it fits the screen. So I can even change the size of the process chart which I have inserted. So it will look like this. Then again I will add a new slide, blank slide. And now let's see another way of adding a smart art. So I'm going to add a text box here and I'm going to list certain things. For example, I'm going to list a process, all right, or a cycle. That is insert. Then the next thing is picture. Like I have clicked on insert, then picture. Then I have gone to the document or the download option wherever the picture was there. And then I'll select the picture and click on insert button. And then I'll drag the picture to adjust to the screen. So this is the process to insert a picture. Now if I have to write this in a form of smart art, then I'll click on convert to smart art, and then it is a process which moves in a cycle. That means I can insert many pictures by repeating the same process again and again. So this is how the cycle will appear. So I can even convert the text into the smart art by just clicking on the convert to smart art option. And then I can drag the screen to fit it into the screen. So this is how this is done. And then I can even convert the same data by clicking on convert to smart art from the home option like this. All right. So in a listed form also I can do it in such a way, and then I can drag the screen to fit this slide, and even I can change the color at any point of time. So I can click on the change colors and I can choose any shade of my choice. For example, I chose this. So this is how simple points can be presented in a more presentable and colorful way and attractive way. So now I'm again going to add a slide and show you how I can insert a video. So I'm going to click on video and then insert file. So I have already recorded a video which I'm going to insert here from the document folder. So here the dialog box is open that it will be automatically played or it will be played on a click. Now this screen again I'll drag and make it fix within the slide so that it fits there, and while presentation it is not haphazard. So I can stretch the video slide and fit it here like this, and it will be played while the presentation is done. Now again I'm going to add a blank slide, and now I'll be showing you how to add a sound or audio. So I'll click on insert and then I will click on sound. Then I'll go to downloads because recently I have downloaded a song, that is Sare Jahan Se Acha. I'll click on that song and then click on OK. And again the dialog box will come to ask whether on clicking or when the slide comes it will play automatically. So I have selected that it will play on a click, and this is how I can adjust it on the slide. So now the slideshow option, I'll go to slideshow. There are three options: from beginning, from current slide, or custom slide. Even we can hide the slide which is not in use. So if I'm going to select that from the current slide or from the starting, so it will play from starting. For example, I'm coming back to the middle of the presentation and now clicking on from beginning. So now this is how the presentation will look on my screen, and it will run like this. Now the video will also be played. I have clicked on it and see the video has started. I have explained here, and then coming on to the music file, and then the last end of the slideshow. So this is how all the slides will be shown. You can just press the arrow button to move it up and down, and you can make your presentation more attractive like this. I hope you got this right. How can I forget to tell you the shortcut key for putting it on presentation? आपको presentation करने के लिए shortcut key is F5. Otherwise आप slideshow पे जाके from beginning या current file भी कर सकते हैं, and even you can do F5 for the slide show. So the shortcut key for slideshow is F5. And then if you want to come back to the normal screen, then you have to press the escape button. After pressing the escape button, you will come back to the presentation. So children, for such videos, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends so that your friends are also making such colorful and interesting videos. Thank you children, and have a good day.